Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa as rice. First, always rinse your quinoa thoroughly before cooking. This crucial step removes saponin, a natural coating that can give quinoa a bitter taste. Simply place your desired amount of quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for at least 30 seconds, or until the water runs clear. This simple preparation ensures a delicious, mild flavor, perfect for substituting rice in any dish. Now let's cook it perfectly. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of liquid, such as water or broth. Combine the rinsed quinoa and liquid in a saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. The goal is for the quinoa to absorb all the liquid, becoming tender and fluffy. Achieving that ideal fluffy texture is easy with these final steps. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are up, remove the pan from the heat but keep it covered. Let the quinoa rest undisturbed for 5 minutes. This allows the remaining steam to finish cooking the grains and helps them separate. After resting, simply remove the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. You'll notice how light and distinct each grain becomes. Your perfectly cooked quinoa is now ready to enjoy. It's an incredibly versatile and nutritious substitute for rice in almost any meal. Use it as a base for grain bowls, mix it into vibrant salads, or serve it as a healthy side dish with your favorite proteins and vegetables. Its mild flavor makes it a fantastic canvas for various seasonings and cuisines. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.